Welcome to InvestorWeb, your go-to channel for all things finance and investment. Here we are devoted to guiding you through the labyrinth of financial opportunities and educating you about the fascinating world of investment. Our mission? To empower you to make informed decisions, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out. In today's video, we will be discussing the 10 things you should do if you suddenly become rich, so stay tuned. First and foremost, resist the urge to make any hasty decisions. An unexpected influx of wealth can be disorienting, and it's natural to feel a rush of possibilities. But remember, good decisions rarely come from a place of overwhelming excitement or fear, so take a deep breath. Give yourself time to adjust to your newfound financial status. This is not a race. You don't have to spend or invest it all right away. Think about it. Impulsive decisions, especially those regarding finances, often lead to regret. You might be tempted to buy that fancy car or invest in a once-in-a-lifetime business venture. However, it's crucial to resist these impulses until you've had a chance to thoroughly evaluate your options. Think long-term, create a plan, consider seeking advice from trusted financial advisors. Make sure that every financial move you make aligns with your goals and values. Remember, haste often leads to waste. Next, prioritize clearing any outstanding debts. This is an absolute must. Why? Because the interest you pay on your debts can often outpace any earnings you might make from investments. It's a bit like running on a financial treadmill. So, the first thing you do when you come into a large sum of money, pay off those debts. Imagine the peace of mind and tranquility that comes with being debt-free. No more worrying about credit card bills, student loans, or mortgage payments. The freedom that comes with having zero debt is immeasurable. It's a clean slate, a fresh start. It's a chance to breathe, to plan, to dream. Remember, even a windfall doesn't make you immune to the pitfalls of debt. It's all too easy to slip back into old habits, so clear your debts and then commit to staying debt-free. You've been given a golden opportunity. Don't squander it. Debt-free is the way to be. Third, assemble a team of financial advisors. Now, this might sound a bit excessive, but trust me, it's a must. When you've got that kind of money, the stakes are high. You'll want the best minds in the business guiding you through the labyrinth of wealth management. Think of it as your financial dream team. You'll need an accountant, a lawyer, and a financial advisor at the very least. Each of these professionals brings something unique to the table. An accountant, for instance, can help you handle taxes and audits, while a lawyer can assist you with estate planning and potential lawsuits. A financial advisor, on the other hand, can guide you towards smart investments and help you grow your wealth even further. It's important to take your time when assembling your team. Look for individuals who are not just experienced, but also trustworthy and aligned with your financial goals. Remember, the right team can make a world of difference. Fourth, diversify your investments. Picture wealth management as a game of chess. It's not about that one queen piece, it's about the entire board. Diversification is your strategic move to spread the risk. It's about having a mix of different types of investments to balance possible losses in one area with potential gains in another. Imagine putting all your eggs in one basket. If that basket falls, all your eggs break. But if you spread your eggs across multiple baskets, a fall in one basket won't smash all your eggs. That's diversification, and it's the same concept with your wealth. You want a portfolio that includes a variety of asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and potentially even commodities. Each class comes with its own set of risks and rewards, and they often perform differently under different market conditions. So, remember, don't put all your wealth in one place. Diversification is an investor's best friend. Fifth, set a budget. Now, it might seem odd to talk about budgeting when we're discussing sudden wealth. After all, if you're rolling in money, why worry about pennies? But that's a common misconception. No matter how much money you have, setting a budget is crucial. It's all about maintaining financial discipline. A budget doesn't mean you can't enjoy your wealth, far from it. It's simply a tool to help you manage your money wisely. It's a way to track where your money is going, to ensure you're not overspending in certain areas, and to help you save for future goals. Setting a budget also gives you a clear understanding of your financial situation. It can help you make informed decisions about your investments, savings, and expenditures. And remember, even the wealthiest individuals can find themselves in financial trouble if they're not careful. So take the time to set a budget. It's not about restricting your spending, it's about being smart with your money. Remember, a budget is a roadmap to financial success. Sixth, secure your future. Now you might be wondering, how exactly do I do that? Well, it's simpler than you might think. With newfound wealth, it is paramount to set up retirement plans, trusts, and insurance. These are not just for you, but for your loved ones too. Think of retirement plans as a safety net. You're not working forever, are you? A well-planned retirement fund ensures you're not left wanting in your golden years. Trusts, on the other hand, are your legacy. They ensure your loved ones are provided for, even when you're no longer around to do so. And insurance, well, it's like a shield protecting you from the unexpected. It covers a range of eventualities from health issues to property loss. It's a small price to pay for peace of mind. Remember, wealth is not just about the present, it's also about the future. So don't just live for today, plan, prepare and protect. Secure your future today for peace of mind tomorrow. Seventh, remember to give back. The sudden influx of wealth brings with it a golden opportunity to make a difference, to contribute to the society that nurtured you. As the saying goes, to whom much is given, much is expected. Philanthropy, my dear friends, is not just about writing checks. It's about using your resources, your time, your influence, and your talent to effect positive change in the world. Think about the causes that resonate with you. Perhaps it's education, or maybe it's healthcare. It could be environmental conservation, or even supporting local businesses. Whichever it is, giving back isn't just beneficial for those on the receiving end, it enriches you as well. It gives your wealth a purpose beyond personal comfort and luxury. It allows you to leave a legacy that transcends material possessions. So as you navigate the waters of newfound wealth, let your compass point towards generosity. Giving back is the greatest act of grace. Eighth, keep learning. Yes, you heard it right. Even when you've hit the jackpot, your journey of learning should not come to a halt. In fact, it's more crucial now than ever before. Now you might wonder, why should a newly rich person keep learning? Well, the answer is quite simple. Understanding financial trends, investing opportunities, and market dynamics are key to maintaining and growing your newfound wealth. It's like navigating a ship in the vast sea. You need to understand the currents, the weather, and the route to ensure a safe and successful journey. Moreover, continuous learning opens up new avenues for diversification. Ever heard of the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket? When you expand your knowledge base, you can explore different sectors, industries, and opportunities, mitigating risks and enhancing your portfolio's potential. Therefore, never stop learning, because in the world of finance, knowledge is power. Ninth, stay humble. As we navigate the waters of sudden wealth, it's crucial we keep our feet firmly planted on the ground. Humility, my dear friends, is not just a virtue, but a guiding principle that can help you maintain perspective in the face of your newfound fortune. Just as a tree with deep roots stands tall in a storm, your humility will keep you grounded amidst the whirlwind of wealth. Remember, money may change your circumstances, but it shouldn't change who you are. Gratitude, too, plays a pivotal role here. Be thankful for your good fortune, but also for the challenges you've overcome to reach this point. Acknowledge the people who have supported you along the way. Keep in mind, wealth is not merely an accumulation of money, it's about the person you become while amassing it. If you allow your affluence to inflate your ego, you risk losing sight of what truly matters. Humility is the hallmark of true wealth. 10th and last, don't forget to enjoy your wealth. After all, wealth isn't just about accumulation, it's about enjoyment too. Remember, you've worked hard for this prosperity, so it's only right to relish the fruits of your labor. But while you're at it, don't lose sight of financial discipline. Keep a balance between spending and saving. Enjoy your wealth responsibly. Invest in experiences, create lasting memories, and most importantly, choose happiness. Because at the end of the day, wealth is to be enjoyed, not just accumulated. That wraps up our discussion on the 10 things to do if you get rich all of a sudden. Remember, avoid hasty decisions, clear your debts, assemble a team of professionals, diversify your investments, and set a budget. Prioritize your future security, give back to society, never stop learning, stay humble, and of course, enjoy your wealth responsibly. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Investor Web for more insightful videos on finance and investment. Stay wealthy and wise.